Hello and welcome again to today's Swahili lesson. In this lesson, you're going to learn the Swahili alphabet. And today, let us have a look at Swahili vowels. Okay? There are 29 Swahili alphabets. 5 are vowels and 24 are consonants. And in Swahili, we have capital and lowercase of each alphabet. So let us start with vowel, which is referred as vocali in Swahili. Swahili language has a 5-vowel system represented by the letters A, E, I, O, and U, as exemplified below. So we are going to have vowel and then Swahili words, the English translation, and then approximation of pronunciation in English. Okay, so the first vowel is A in words like mama, mother, jana, yesterday, as in father. The second vowel is E in words like nene, fat, wewe, you, as in get. The third vowel is E in words like bibi, grandmother, kiti, chair, as in B. The fourth vowel is O in words like mtoto, child, moto, fire, as in pot. And then the last vowel is U in words like kuku, chicken, boo, dumb person, as in put. So as explained above, Swahili has 5 vowels which are A, E, I, O, U. They are pronounced openly without diphthongs like in Spanish or in Italian. And then they must always be kept short. In Swahili, there are also exist sequence of 2 to 3 vowels, where 2 vowels can be similar or dissimilar. 3 vowels are always dissimilar. Okay, and in each case, each vowel is realized as a separate syllable and pronounced clearly and distinctly regardless of its position. Double vowel, however, are pronounced for a longer duration. Okay, the following examples illustrate what is said here. So double vowel, for example, a, a. Swahili words, va, dress up, fa, be of use, as in ba. Another sequence is e, in words like mzee, an old person, peke, unique, as in exit. The last sequence is e, in words like tea, obey, miiba, thorns, as in be. And then we have 2 dissimilar vowels like a, e in words like ya, e, egg, papa, e, papaya, as in bike, e, a, e, in words like be, e, price, me, e, may, as in pay. And then e, a in words like gi, a, gear, li, a, cry, as in piano. Okay, and then lastly we have 3 vowel sequence. The first sequence is eu, a, in words like teua, appoint or select, beua, scorn. Another sequence is o, a, in words like doea, scrunch, zoea, get used or accustomed, and then u, i, a in words like nuia, intend, zuia, prevent or stop. So as you can see from the above examples, Swahili has lots of sequence of vowels, and in each case, each vowel is realized as a separate syllable and pronounced clearly and distinctly. This lesson was brought to you by your everyday teacher, Baby Ruth, with a reference from Learn Swahili, the Treasure of Africa by Tataki, 2018. Thank you so much for listening.